Right, starting this video where the previous one left off. The hub's been removed, and what David did next was really clever. We removed the back plate from the hub and we tidied it up and cleaned it up, and as you'll see, we used that plate on the replacement hub, which we got from eBay. So it was a little bit of work, but it was worthwhile. And of course, David being David came up with an ingenious method to repair the back plate and swap them over. Swapped over the back plates from the original hub to the replacement hub, which we got from eBay, as I said before. David soldered on a couple of brackets and fitted the back plate onto the hub, and of course securing it extremely well, which he did by drilling into the actual hub. After that, of course, it was fitting the replacement hub. We redid the tension bars and spruced them up a bit, and as you can see, brakes on, everything was put together. And then, of course, we had to fix some of the damage. It's not perfect, but it will do for now. And I'm hoping to do the rest of the work in the near future. Thank you and goodbye.